Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a sitemap for your Blogger blog. This is essential for helping search engines like Google properly index your content and improve your blog's visibility in search results. Let's walk through this together, step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to blogger.com. Once you're there, sign into your account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Blogger dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your blog. Now take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a vertical menu with several options. Click on Settings. This section contains all the important configurations for your blog, including the settings we need to adjust for your sitemap. Once you're in the settings area, scroll down through the various options until you find a section called Crawlers and Indexing. This is where Blogger allows you to control how search engines interact with your blog. Here's an important step. Make sure that the custom robots.txt option is disabled. Having this disabled ensures that search engines can access your default robots.txt file, which is what we need to locate your sitemap. If it's currently enabled, simply toggle it off. After you've disabled that setting, return to the left side menu and click on View Blog. This will open your live blog in a new tab, allowing you to see exactly what your visitors and search engines see when they access your site. Now focus your attention on the URL at the top of your browser. This is your blog's web address. Click at the end of that URL and type /robots.txt, then press Enter on your keyboard. This takes you to a special file that Blogger automatically generates for every blog. And there you have it. On this page, you'll now see your sitemap URL listed. This is the address you can submit to search engines like Google Search Console to help them crawl and index your blog posts more efficiently. Having access to this sitemap is crucial for improving your blog's SEO performance and making sure your content gets discovered. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.